Oh no, I've done it again. I've bought more old lights. Can't help myself. I also like how the background is getting worse and worse with all the old bulbs and batteries and stuff from previous videos. So we got a couple of packages here, one of which seems to be a takeaway pot of some description with the highly technical anti-address garbage on there. I basically am too lazy and can't be bothered to blur it. No in-post effects here. So let's open them, shall we? It's quite. I'm going to be probably a little bit quieter today. It's quite late on a Friday evening. But you know, what better to be doing than unboxing old lights I've spent lots of money on? So first of all, let's just cut our way into this, shall we? It is indeed a Tupperware pot, but that's fine. I mean, to be honest, it's not a bad way of doing it, actually. Got some newspaper. Fab Daily. Something I'm not getting enough of. That's not really for this video, is it? Oh no, not Mylene Stalk. Oh. Anyway, that was boring. Oh dear. Oh bloody hell. Wow, that really does show the high quality postage service that we get over here. That's terrible. Anyway, inside this packet, hopefully we have some undamaged cap things. I mean, to be honest, these are a little bit different, aren't they? They looked the same as they look the same as the petals I needed, but I don't think they are. I mean, it's not too bad because no, they're not the same, are they? These are getting on towards that orangey colour that the Premier sets use. Oh, they look the same, but they're not. Now I've seen them. It seems to be a lot of lights use slightly different varieties of these petal shade. So yeah, I don't know what they're from. I thought they were the same as the Woolworths set I had. So I thought, oh, that would be good, because quite a few of the ones I got are breaking, but they're not the same. So that's a cock up on my part. Oh well, live and learn, eh? If I ever spot a set the same as this that needs some spares, that would be ideal. But for now, it's an O moment. Right, let's put these somewhere. Where can I put them? Somewhere they're not going to get smashed. And now we have some lights. Some old lights. This is always fun. Napkins. Hope they're not napkins. Oh dear, that's noisy. Oh, I see, I understand it now. It's like a V shape here. Hang on. There we go. And then in bubble wrap are the lights. And there we are. Nothing too crazy, just a couple of basic filament bulb sets. I mean, credit to them, they've done a pretty good job of packaging them up. So we've got a set of 50 and a set of 100. And you know what? I didn't even really pay much attention to what they were because, well, as you can tell by the fact I've ordered the wrong bloody petal shades, these are actually a 4 colour set, which is nice. It's actually a nice change to have a 4 colour set to not have any pink bulbs to worry about, which is cool because, yeah, I'm struggling getting spares for those. I have no idea what these are. They're just generic sets, but I don't think it's too bad having generic sets because, they look like the bulbs I bought recently. They're very small, actually. Very tiny little bulb holders, but still. Oh, bollocks, can't get it back in now. These directional. Oh, God, they're directional as well. Oh. Anyway. But now that I know that, or at least I'm not as worried about bulbs now. Huh. Fair enough. That's cool. None with this set, but that's fine. Yeah, you know, now that I've realised that this 100 set, you know, they're going to have certain voltages and I can quite freely interchange the bulbs with the housings or the bases, it's not too bad. 2.5 volt, 0.275 watt. I'm pretty sure these work. Well, they worked on the listing anyway. Plug them into the dimmer. And there we go. Look at that. That's full brightness. They're not actually they're not an incredibly bright set, to be fair. Nothing wrong with that though. They look pretty good. I must say, I quite like the orange and reds together like that. You know, quite a generic set. Smaller bulbs. Obviously, no shades on these, but you know, they're pretty nice. And for just a generic set of 100, you can't go too far wrong. And you know, they were cheap. I think these were about 16 quid all in. So I got a set of 50, set of 100, some spare bulbs as well, which is awesome. So I'll probably have to mark those down and put them in a bag so I know what they are. Here's a set of 50, very much the same. Sure, they run noticeably brighter. Yeah, set of 50. Yeah, what else is there to it, you know? Let's turn some lights off, have a gander at them. Ooh, yeah. It's quite cool seeing them bundled like that, where you get the red and the orange on one side and the blue and green on the other. It looks awesome. Let's go to that, because that'll... There we go. That'll look better. So there's those. Let's go full bright. Whoa! Swamp out the camera. Yeah, there is just something so pretty about the two colours being together like that. The blues and the greens complement really well. And so do the reds and the oranges. But yeah. In fact, this looks like a nicer set. We'll quickly swap over to the 100 set. Oh, I mean, to be honest, with the lights off, the greens and the blues, yeah, a little bit on the dim side, the blues. But they just look really good. This is a much dimmer set, actually. Even the camera is seeing that. A much dimmer set, but to be honest, it's not a bad thing, because surely that means they'll last longer. God, you just can't beat them. You can't beat the old school bulbs. And I don't think it's just the... I mean, yeah, they emit a full spectrum colour wave of light, so they work really well with the colours, but I think it's something about the glass, the way the glass kind of reflects the light, and it all just kind of like... It's something about it. It's just unbelievably comforting and warming. But yeah, the light is going to come back. Mind your eyes. Not too shabby at all. Let's quickly check what I paid for these. It wasn't just me, right? They definitely flashed on and off just then. Hello? Hello? We'll put it down as a dimmer, because I do sometimes have funny moments with that dimmer. Okay, to be fair, they were a bit more than I remember them being. They were £15.96. Adding the VAT, blah, 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 and the delivery, £21.30. The £4 chain on delivery was a bit higher, but, you know, they've come fine, and, yeah. Quite often now I'm seeing sets go in the 40 to 50 margin, so, you know. And these, obviously, they're only generic, but, obviously, for me, this is, like, one of the most nostalgic things ever. Seeing messy, bundled sets like this, with just the generic fairy light housing. So, I'd say it's a win. Of course, do let me know what you think down in the comments, and be sure to check out, oh, pop in the bubble wrap, be sure to check out the rest of the channel, because I got a load of Christmas light gubbins up there, and a load more to come very soon. Yeah, I like these, actually. And it's nice to have a few bigger sets. A lot of the sets I've been buying recently have been like 20, 40 sets. It's nice to have a few hundreds and fifties that I can actually maybe put on a bigger tree or up round on the ceiling or something. I'm not going to be using these constantly this Christmas, I don't think, but I'm definitely going to have a few sets up that I'll put on for a few hours in the evening, just to really get back into the Christmas spirit, you know. This year I'm really going to try and get into more of a Christmas spirit, so it doesn't just come and go just like that again, like it has the last 8 years or so. I want to feel like a kid again. It'll be great. But yeah, cheers for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. I love reading them all, and I'll reply to all of you. But as always, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.